how to make a good cup of tea then. So I'm using this mug today. This is my Poland mug, which of course is my favourite. I'll be having Earl Grey tea, milk, and of course the hot water. Now Earl Grey tea bags are quite strong tea. They are my personal favourite. Very good tea bags. So we'll be taking one of those out and dropping it in the mug. And the first thing I like to do is add the water. Always water first before the milk. So when the kettle's boiled, pour out the water, about 3/4 full in the mug, and then give the tea bag a good shake. This can also be called dunking the tea bag. So make sure we get some flavour in that water. And I need to find somewhere to put the tea bag. There we go. And we'll take that out and drop it over there. So the next step is adding the milk. Not too much milk, just the right amount of milk to make a nice golden cup of tea. So there we go, that's just the right amount of milk. And now we have a perfect cup of tea. All that's left to do is to give the tea a good stir and drink. So I shall now go and enjoy my cup of tea. Goodbye.